To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Scrambler XP 1000S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Lock the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the left rear wheel. Elevate and safely support the vehicle. Remove the lug nuts on the left rear wheel and set aside. Then, remove the left rear wheel. Remove the 4 fasteners retaining the lower left-hand frame support and remove from the frame. Remove the 11 fasteners securing the outer PVT cover to the inner PVT cover. Carefully maneuver the outer PVT cover out the left-hand wheel well. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Insert the clutch spreader tool between the slides and rotate in to spread the sheaves. Notice, ensure the tool is square with the movable sheave surface of the driven clutch. Carefully walk the belt off of the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if necessary. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and serious injury or death. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the seal is fully seated. Reinstall the 11 clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. Locate the dot on the end of the lower left-hand frame support. Caution: the dot end must be aligned with the dot on the bottom of the frame. If not installed properly, the lower left-hand frame support could potentially break. Torque the frame fasteners to specification. Reinstall the wheel on the hub. Install the lug nuts and tighten by hand. Safely lower the vehicle to the ground and torque the lug nuts to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.